Hello, I'm Wes Thomas. I'm one of the regional sales managers here at VTS. Welcome to Tech Espresso. Data centers are hotter, racks are taller, loads are heavier. Cooling isn't optional, it's mission critical. Introducing VTS CRA, computer room air handling, and fan wall units. Engineered for precision, efficiency, and total reliability. Built for high density data center performance. Up to 90,000 CFM, up to 600 kilowatt cooling capacity, compact footprint, maximum output, minimal power consumption. High efficiency EC fan arrays deliver powerful airflow with long air throw capacity, ensuring uniform cooling capacity across large data halls and high racks. Intelligence is built in. Plug-and-play controls with a 4-inch touchscreen, precise supply air temperature control, delta T regulation, room or return air strategies tailored to your project. The energy valve regulates supply temperature, EC fans stabilize return air, balanced, efficient, automatic, dependable. With Modbus connectivity, real-time fan power data, and calculated EER, AER values, performance isn't guessed, it's measured. Pressure-independent chill water control eliminates manual balancing. Integrated energy measurement delivers transparency. Smart airflow sensors adjust performance as filters load, maintaining stability while reducing unnecessary energy use. High cooling capacity, lower power consumption. Modular design enables built-in redundancy. Coordinated control for up to 16 units. Standby and emergency modes. Filter monitoring. Fire alarm integration, because uptime isn't negotiable. VTS CRA and fan wall units. Precision cooling, intelligent control, maximum performance, and minimal energy. For data centers that don't compromise. Mission critical cooling, engineered right, engineered to do more with less energy. Let us spec your project today. Contact your regional sales manager, your local office, or reach out to us at vtsgroup.com for more information. VTS America, built for what's next.